Hi, it's Kayla with Z Real Estate. As promised, we're gonna do a short little video just breaking down what's going on with the interest rates. So December of 2021, that interest rate was hovering around 3.5%. So somebody that was at $300,000 at 3.5%, put their monthly mortgage payment, 30-year, I'm not giving you all of the information here, at about $1,275, okay? That same $1,275 right now, with the interest rates hovering, it's 4.8% right now, so I'm doing this based off of 5. It's only gonna buy that person $250,000 now. And if they come back down a little bit to 4.5, then they're at $265. Now, most people are going to get their pre-qualifications on the highest end of their budget, and right now with how the market's been going, most people are having to buy at the high end of their budget just because they're not finding what works for them on the lower end of their budget. So let's talk about how this correlates to price. This is just my opinion. I've studied economy a little bit, but I'm not an economist, so I'm just giving you my breakdown based on what I've seen in the real estate market in years past. Right now, we still have a major inventory issue, right? Like I said in the last video, we have 175 active homes on the market. What I think this is going to do with the interest rates going up, it's just gonna help us level off that market, and hopefully we'll see more houses come on the market. I think it will bring the price down a little bit because if you do have somebody that can afford $300,000 at 3.5 and now the interest rates are close to 5, that brings them down to $250,000. It's gonna be a very short or very slow trickle down effect. I don't think it's gonna be anything that you're going to notice overnight or maybe even in the next like 6 months or so. I think it's gonna take some time to bring what is $300,000 down to $250,000 to get that average sales price down. I don't know, it could be years, but people keep asking, is there a housing bubble? Is there a housing crisis? All of these questions, and I think that the answers are no. I think that you're just going to continue to see, the same amount of homes come on the market, maybe a little bit more, people that were hesitant about COVID. There was also this big thing about forbearance going to have a huge impact on the number of homes that came on the market. And that really hasn't been the case because people that couldn't cash out of their forbearance have just been selling their homes because they have more equity in that home now than they ever have. Hopefully that wasn't too confusing. If you have more questions, please definitely reach out to us. We'd be happy to help and answer any questions that came from this video. I know it's a lot to unpack in a short amount of time. See you next time.